Now we are going to see question number 6 of exercise 6.2. The question says, in figure A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Now this is the figure. A is a point on OP. So this is the line segment OP. So A is a point, B is a point on this line segment OQ and C is a point on the line segment OR. And it is also given that AB is parallel to PQ. This AB is parallel to line segment PQ and AC line segment, it is given parallel to this line segment PR. We have to show that BC is parallel to QR. We have to show that this line segment BC is parallel to this line segment QR. First we will write the given information. AB is parallel to PQ. What we have to prove? We have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. We will apply basic proportionality theorem in this triangle OPQ first. Let me highlight it. This is a triangle OPQ. In this triangle. In this triangle I will apply. So AB, in this triangle AB is parallel to PQ. So this triangle is like this. We have, when applying BPT, OA by AP will be equal to the ratio OB over BQ. In triangle OPQ, we have OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Reason is basic proportionality theorem. Let this be equation number 1. Now let us take this triangle, right hand side triangle OPR, this triangle. In triangle OPR, what is given in this triangle? AC is parallel to PR. So I am talking about this triangle OPR. In this green color triangle. So AC is parallel to PR. So that triangle is like this. And we have AC like this. AC. So we have OA by AP is equal to, when you come to this side, that ratio is equal to OC over CR. OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. The reason is same. We use basic proportionality theorem. Let this be equation number 2. Now I have written equation number 1 here because I wanted now. See, here in the left hand side you can see OA by AP, and here also I can see OA by AP, OA over AP. So if the left hand side of both the equations are same, then we can say the right hand side will also be same. So from equation 1 and 2, this OB by BQ is equal to, will be equal to this thing OC by CR. Now you can see OB, now this ratio is same. Now we will put this ratio in this small triangle OQR. That is this triangle OQR. In this triangle, we just proved OB over BQ is equal to OC over CR. Then by theorem 6.2, that is in Converse of Basic Proportionality Theorem, if a line cuts this two sides of a triangle such that this ratio is same, it's divided in the same ratio, then we can say that BC line will be parallel to QR line. Thus in triangle OQR, OB over BQ is equal to OC over CR. Line BC divides OQ and OR in the same ratio. So therefore BC will be parallel to QR. We took these two triangles and used basic proportionality theorem, and from this common left hand side we came to these two sides. So that's why using converse of basic proportionality theorem we got to use that in this small triangle. BC is parallel to QR. So this is converse of basic proportionality theorem.